Imagine walking into a conference room, pulling out your sleek laptop, and effortlessly taking notes, responding to emails, and running complex presentations, all while your colleagues marvel at the seamless performance and stunning visuals. That's exactly what the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Copilot Plus 2 in one laptop offers, a device that combines style, substance, and cutting-edge AI-powered performance. However, the market is flooded with laptops that promise the world, but often fall short when it comes to delivering real-world results. That's why we're looking for a device that can effortlessly juggle everyday tasks, provide fast access to files and data, and keep up with our increasingly demanding lifestyles. The ThinkPad X1 Copilot Plus is designed to tackle these challenges head-on. As we unwrapped the device, we were immediately struck by its premium build quality and sleek design. Weighing in at just 3.07 pounds, this Ultrabook is both portable and durable, boasting an 82-hour battery that'll easily last an entire business day. Upon closer inspection, we noticed the precision-cut metal chassis, precision-crafted hinges, and an expertly tuned keyboard that provides an exceptional typing experience. These thoughtful touches create an ergonomic workspace that inspires confidence and comfort. But enough about aesthetics. Let's dive into what really sets the ThinkPad X1 Copilot Plus apart: its powerful AI-driven performance. At the heart lies an Intel Core Ultra 7 258V processor, an 8-core, 8-thread powerhouse that provides a maximum turbo frequency of 4.8 GHz, translating to effortless multitasking and responsiveness that will keep your workflow on track. With 32 gigabytes of RAM at its disposal, the X1 Copilot Plus deftly juggles demanding tasks like data analysis, video editing, and web development, freeing you up to concentrate on the bigger picture. What's more, the 1TB PCIe M.2 SSD enables incredibly fast boot times, instant file access, and lightning-fast data transfers, all of which help to reduce productivity-killing delays. Another standout feature is the integrated Intel Arc graphics, which brings next-gen visuals and accelerated capabilities to an array of applications. Enjoy stunning visuals on the vibrant 14-inch FHD plus touchscreen display that boasts 1920 by 1200 pixel resolution, an exceptional 120 Hz refresh rate, and 100% sRGB color accuracy, perfect for video conferencing, gaming, and immersive content creation. But how does it feel in real-world use? We put the ThinkPad X1 Copilot Plus through its paces in a range of scenarios, from taking notes in a fast-paced meeting to editing complex spreadsheets and running demanding simulation software. In our testing, the device consistently delivered silky smooth performance, effortlessly handling even the most demanding applications. We experienced zero lag, no dropped frames, and no hiccups, all thanks to the device's clever balancing act between powerful hardware and expert software tuning. However, there are some areas where the ThinkPad X1 Copilot Plus stumbles. For instance, the integrated speakers, while improved from previous generations, still lack the richness and depth you'd expect from a premium device. Another area for improvement is the 1080p IR camera, which struggles with low-light performance and slightly fuzzy image quality. While not deal-breakers by any means, these trade-offs are worth considering if you're heavily invested in video conferencing or content creation. Where does the ThinkPad X1 Copilot Plus fit into the broader market? In many ways, it stands out from the competition. Specifically, its superior performance and seamless multitasking make it a top contender among Ultrabooks. While other laptops may boast similar specs, few can match the X1 Copilot Plus's AI-powered performance, elegant design, and comprehensive feature set. When set against its closest competitors, such as the Dell XPS 13 or the HP Envy 14, the ThinkPad X1 Copilot Plus delivers a winning combination of style, substance, and unparalleled productivity. After putting the ThinkPad X1 Copilot Plus through every possible test, we're confident in our final verdict. This 2-in-1 laptop is an uncompromising blend of style, substance, and AI-driven performance that belongs alongside the business elite. Whether you're an industry leader, a creative visionary, or an everyday user in need of a reliable solution, the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Copilot Plus 2 in one laptop is an exceptional investment that will elevate your productivity and inspire your potential. Order yours today and watch how its transformative impact can change the game.